In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 recruitment agencies that are actively hiring Africans to work from home for remote companies. And the best part is, as a total beginner, you can earn between $200 to $1,000 working remotely for these companies. In this video, I'm going to be covering what these agencies do, the type of roles they hire for, the salary range, and how their hiring process works. Now, I would like you to watch till the end because the last company in the list is one of the easiest way to get your first remote job. So the first company on the list is Andela. Now, Andela is a global talent marketplace that connects skilled professionals with companies around the world. Now, what makes Andela particularly interesting is that the company originally started by focusing on African developers before expanding globally. So it started from Africa, meaning their major focus is connecting African workers to a kind of global audience. Now, today, Andela hires talent from over 100 countries. Now, some of the roles Andela recruits for include software engineers, DevOps engineers, data engineers, AI and learning engineers. We have product managers and then UI, UX designers. Now, these are some of the roles that Andela recruits for. In terms of salary, many professionals working through Andela earn between 2,000 to $8,000 per month, depending on their experience and specialization. The hiring process usually involves first, you have to submit an application, then complete a kind of technical assessment or coding challenges, depending on what you are applying for. After that, you would go through interviews and soft skill evaluations before being matched with a global company. Yeah. So if you're in tech and you have at least 3 years of experience, Andela can be a very powerful gateway to get into remote work. So this is the interface of Andela. Yeah, to join their talent pool, you click on login. You would see for clients, login for talent, and Andela Pay. So you click on login for talent. This is where you can sign up to join their network. After it opens up, you click on sign up since you don't have an account. Then it brings you to this point where you fill in your details here. So your first name, your last name, your email, and your location. Then you click on, the terms here and click on get started. So in this next part, you have to fill in your experience. After you finish filling in your experience, you upload your resume. Yeah. And then the hiring process will begin for Andela. It's as simple as that. Yeah. So for Adela, you don't have to fear anything because it was originally made for Africans. Yeah. So no matter where you are, Nigeria, Canada, Nigeria, Kenya, or wherever you are in Africa, you are eligible to apply for Andela. The next one on my list is Turing. Now, Turing is an AI-powered platform that help companies hire remote developers from around the world. Now, think of it as a system that matches engineers with companies automatically using algorithms and technical testing. Yeah. So, if you are a specialized person in any field, say content creation, mathematics, data analytics, if you are a teacher that teaches physics, if you are a specialist in any of your profession and want to get into remote work setting, Turing is the perfect place for you. Now, Turing recruits professionals from more than 150 countries in the world, and many African developers and African professionals are already working on the platform. Yeah, I work on Turing too. I got a job with Turing where I work as a data analytics. Yeah, helping them to train AI models. Now, the roles that Turing typically hire for include backend developers, mobile developers, AI engineers, data scientists, statisticians, and if you have a PhD in biology and some other specialized field, yeah, so you can work on Turing. Now, mostly these days, Turing connects remote workers to AI training firms. That's where they are focused on now. So when you get into Turing, You can help train AI as a professional. Yeah, so that's what they are focused on currently. You can help train AI on Turing as a professional. Most people on Turing earn between $300 to $1,000 per month. Yeah, so depending on your experience and your work rates, you can earn between $300 to $1,000 per month. Yeah, so the hiring process of Turing usually looks like this. You create a profile on the platform and then you complete a coding test. Yeah. Also, they'll give you a technical interview, and when you pass that interview, you get matched by the platform to some companies looking for your skill set. Now, most of these companies are AI training companies. Yeah. So they are looking for your particular skill sets to use it to train AI. Yeah. So for developers or specialists or professionals looking to work with global tech companies without relocating, Turing is one of the strongest platform out there. Turing, Turing.com, yeah. Like I said, I'll drop the links on all platforms in the description. So Turing is a recruitment platform that recruits professionals to train large language models. That's to train AI. Yeah. So these are some available jobs on Turing. As you can see, video content creator, principal Gen AI quality analyst, and so on. For some, they add the country they want, and for some, it is fully remote. So here we also have technical project manager. So if you're new to Torin, you want to log in or sign up, yeah. So for somebody like me that already has an account, I can just sign up. I just sign up to the platform or sign in. Sorry, sign in. But if you are new here, you go to sign up. Go to sign up. But since I have an account, I'll be going to log in. So you log in, sign up. It's very easy, by the way. Now, when you do, this is how Turing works. You get to upload your CV. Yeah, you get to upload your CV. So this is my profile. So this is how Turing works. Yeah, the first thing you want to do is to upload your CV. Yeah, after you upload your CV, you fill up some basic information about yourself, post your LinkedIn profile and what have you. Then from your CV, it will help you fill up your education and also your skill set. So for my CV, Torin was able to pick out some of my top skills. Yeah. Now from that, it will now look for jobs that are related to you. Yeah, jobs that are fully, that are aligned with your skills. So if you go to home, see hello David, the jobs that are mostly aligned to myself are jobs of data analyst nature. So some of the top roles that I can apply for currently on Turing include insurance sales agent, health practitioner, text to SQL developer, um, we have business analyst again. These are the jobs that suit my personality right now, that I can apply for Turing and have a high chance of getting these jobs. Now, the great thing about Turing is that it employs people all over the world. There is no limitation. It doesn't matter whether you are in South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Togo, provided you are a professional, you stand a high chance of landing a gig on Turing. The third on my list is Toptal. So Toptal is one of the most well-known global freelance talent networks. Yeah, it is one of the biggest recruitment agency in the world. Now they connect businesses with top tier freelancers in fields like technology, finance, design, and marketing. Now, some of the roles you'll find on Toptal include roles like marketing specialists, finance experts, product managers, UI and UX designers, or even software developers. Now, the pay on Toptal can be extremely attractive, as you can earn between $60 to $120 per hour, which, if you translate that, could be anywhere between $4,000 to $50,000 per month, depending on the project you are working on. But there is a catch. Toptal only accept about the top 3% of applicants, which means their screening process is very, very strict. Typically, the hiring process include You submit an application and there will be an application review where you would also be asked to pass a English and communication test. Then they will do a technical interview and also give you a test project before you are finally admitted into their network. Now, if you are highly skilled and experienced, Toptal can open the door to premium remote opportunities. So this is the website of Toptal.com. So Toptal is an high-level recruitment agency that requires the top 3% of the world's talent. Yeah. So meaning their recruitment process is very tedious. Their hiring process is very tedious. You need to be very talented and have lots of experience for them to recruit you. But still, they recruit a range of roles: developers, designers, marketing experts, management consultants, sales expert, and so on. So if you want to sign up for the platform and become a part of their talent pool, you click here where you see login, you hit the login button. Now it takes you to this page, but since you don't have an account, you don't log in. You scroll down and you see where they say join Toptal as a freelancer or a company. So you want to join as a freelancer, yeah. So you click on that and you join. Now the good thing about Toptal is since you are very experienced, you tend to work for the company for a long time and the pay is usually very, very high. So you click applying as, this is where you choose the role. Yeah, for most of us, since you are not a very skilled personnel, you don't, depending on your skill actually. Yeah, you can pick anyone, but I would suggest you pick support and operations experts. This does not require you to have a very, very high level of technical knowledge. Yeah, and then you fill your name. So let's fill this together. We have Chimizi, email, and password. Then click on apply to join Toptal. So, like I said earlier, after you submit your application on Toptal, it will go through a review phase, and then you have to do an English test. Yeah, so they will test your English and communication skills. After that, you will go through another stage of technical interviews, then a test-based project. Yeah, so I'll still update you guys on how my interview process is going on Toptal. First remote company on my list is Aristo. They offer what we call a one-time placement, meaning if you get employed by any company on Aristo sourcing, you get to work with the company for a long period of time. So these guys hire globally, but their major focus are in South Africa and Philippines. And the type of role they hire for include virtual assistants, executive assistants, customer care support, and even jobs like data analysts. Yeah. So this is very friendly for beginners. It is very beginner friendly. So if you are just starting out in your remote job company, Aristo Sourcing is a perfect site for you. And also it offers a kind of long-term stability because once they hire you, you tend to work with that particular client for a very long period of time. The salary structure in Aristo Sorting is very, very great. Yeah. For some jobs, you can get paid from $1,000 to $2,000 per month, depending on your experience level. Their hiring structure is not that tedious. You just have to apply on their website, submit your CV and the necessary documents, and then they would have a kind of onboarding interview with you to get you onboarded into their talent pool. This is the homepage of aristosourcing.com, the website here. So when you go to aristosourcing.com, this is the home page. We are looking for the perfect virtual assistant. And like I said, on this platform, you can get job as a virtual assistant, as an executive assistant, or a customer support agency. Yeah, so this is how the website looks like. These are the people in charge of the recruitment and all. Yeah. So these are some of their employees. Now, mostly, like I said, they employ from South Africa and the Philippines, but it doesn't limit you. You can um, apply as well. So if you go to jobs, if you click on jobs and you head over to jobs, you would see some openings here on the website. So for South Africa, these are some current openings. These are some current openings. We have account manager, we have account or project manager, case manager, or digital analyst. Now, these are some openings available right now and on South Africa. If you click on any of the job, you will see the job requirement. Yeah. So let's check data analyst, which is a role I will apply for if I'm interested in this job opening right now. So on it opens the site workable, and here you'd see the requirements and know if you're a good fit for the job. Yeah. So this is the role of the data analyst. What you do: design, build, maintain scalable data pipelines and workflows for recurring and ad hoc reporting. Yeah. So these are the requirements for you to apply. So this is it. Now, when checking all these requirements, they can seem too much, but if you meet about 60 to 70% of a job requirement, you should apply for it. Yeah. So this is the benefits. Is a fully remote work, US hours, and you get paid 1,500 to 1,800 dollars. Yeah. This is what you get paid per month. So if you're interested in jobs like this, you can click apply, and then they will take you to their hiring process. You have to put your resume, your information, and they will get back to you. So this is it for Aristo sourcing. Two more recruitment agencies you might want to check out are CS Outsourcing and Crossover. Now, these two platforms are very good for beginners, but sometimes you might not get access to the platform. So, you might want to connect with them on LinkedIn instead. So, you can go search out these platforms on LinkedIn and connect with them. They post jobs on their LinkedIn profile. You go there and apply for the jobs. They are also very, very great recruitment agencies, and they also employ beginners. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because here we talk about remote jobs opportunities and ways to make money online. See you guys in the next one.